Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. Welcome to my show Learn Arabic with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you an important lesson, so please focus with me. But before we start the lesson, please don't forget to do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends. Are you ready? Let's begin. The lesson entitled How can you pronounce the alphabet in Arabic language? Ta. How can pronounce this letter? Firstly, we have two sisters. It has the same shape or the same form. The first one is named Ta. Ta. Repeat after me, please. Ta. Ta. It's a heavy sound of T. Okay? And the second one or the second sister is named Tha. Tha. How can pronounce it? Tha. It's a heavy sound of there. Okay? Ta. Tha. After then, ayn. Ayn. How can pronounce it? When you see ayn, remember when you do one thing. Like ayn. Ayn. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Inshallah. مع السلامة.